Hey guys, Sean here again from Forward Home Enhancements, coming to you from the Bethel Park project. We got our roof framed up out here and we are getting ready to put a ceiling on. Well, actually, yeah, we're getting ready to put a ceiling on here. So you can see we've got the roof up, being held up by two structural aluminum columns. For the purpose of this video today is, well, I do a lot of work by myself, and for multiple reasons. One reason being that sometimes people just don't show up to work, and the other reason being is, say, I don't really need the help, I should say, so it's kind of a waste of money in some instances. But what I wanted to show anybody who cares is a jig that I make to put joist hangers on. Now, I didn't have the opportunity to learn from my dad or my grandpa or anything like that, because well, they work on cars, and some of the stuff I get into they just don't do. So I've gotten innovative over time in multiple different ways in my experience. So this jig right here, I'm going to be setting 2x6 ceiling joists here. Well, instead of making marks, drawing down with a square, and laying the whole thing out, I just make crow's foot with an X symbolizing which side the joist is going to go on. And then from there, since I don't have an extra set of hands and I'm going to be hanging joists, I will make this jig. Now what this jig is a cutoff from the lumber batch that I got today. All those boards over there, I got a cutoff. I ripped it down to like 2 inches or something, right? Then I got another piece of board at another 1.5 inch board. Now what it does is it rests on top of here. Now I screw it from the back side into here, just one screw, so it articulates or pivots, you know. Then I put a level on it to make sure that it's going straight, right, plumb. And then from there, I tighten that screw up a little bit and it holds it in place, and it can kind of just slide right across here, and I go right on my next mark, right? So what this guy's for is I set her like this, and then I take my hanger and I slide my hanger up, tack it on that side, and then peel the other side over and tack it over here, and pull my jig out and move on to the next one. So what this is going to allow is, for when it's time for me to hang a ceiling joist, I'm going to have something to put it into, like a pocket, you know. So it's going to, I'll lift my ceiling joist up, stick it down inside there, and I only have to stand on this side to screw it in. I'll map this out also, but whatever. So I hope that this helped you guys in some sort of way, and if there's anything else that you would like clarification on, or if there's something I can help you with, leave a question, and I'll try to make a video out of it. I'm always getting into interesting projects, so I will have opportunities to be able to pass my knowledge on to others. I hope it helped. Thanks.